All right, class,
No.
say yes.
No.
When I say class, you say yes. Class,
No.
man, y'all suck.
No.
Okay, I'm actually trying to help you cheat here by doing the project for you and recording it so you can play it back and get like 500 likes on this video. I know, right? Okay, so we're gonna do the trophy base right now. Start by create a sketch. Now, a lot of people are making this. Okay, when I'm seeing your guys' assignments, they're in the wrong orientation. Make it flat, like this. So right here, because otherwise it makes it more difficult to home it. So right here, plane. Now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna start by going with, right here, draw a line. So, oh wait, before I do that, our settings is inches. Make sure that's inches. Okay, settings are inches, so now I'm gonna go through, and from here, I'm gonna start there. I'm gonna go this way at 0 degrees and 3.5 inches. Bam, hit enter. Is that complicated? All right, do it again. Now from here, I go up. That is, what's the total height? 0.75. Up 90 degrees, 0.75. There we go. Continue it. From here, it is over 0.5. From this endpoint right here, it is down 0.2. This right here, it is over, the thickness is 1 inch. This one goes back up 0.2. And from that line right there, I go over 1 inch. All right. I don't see the line there. Let's try it again. Straight up 0.2. There we go. Now there's the line. Now from here, this one over, and it is over 1 inch. And from there, I'm going to take that line, and it goes back down to the beginning. Super easy, right? So now I have the side view. It's all shaded in. This is the part that I'm using. Right click on it. Pull it. And so right here, I'm pulling it one direction, and this is 8 inches. Ah, dang it. I did the thing I didn't want you guys to do. Stop it. Why is... Come on. There you go. And then... All right. There we go. Right here. So I'll show you this part right here. And it's right in the middle. So I'm going to do a line. Create sketch. and select it on this piece right here, because this is where it's going to happen in this channel. Right there. Line right here. You could actually, as long as you put it the right spot, it's going to give you the little icon that it is the midpoint. Go over, and it says 1 inch over. So now that gives me an endpoint. Right click on that endpoint and make a hole. So this is almost the same as what we did for that light switch. So hole type here, hole tapped all the way through, drill point all the way through, and distance, the thickness of this is 0.75, so that's the thickness of the entirety thing. And let's see, it says radius. So this gives me the diameter, and I think I did 0.2 on mine. It doesn't matter. So 0.2 is going to give me the hole. That's an okay size hole, maybe 0.25. Because when you make yours, yours has to fit. Yours has to fit with your top going into that hole to hold it in place. So if you guys looking at my trophy, mine actually has holes on top and bottom. I was just showing where my trophy went. Okay. Okay. Yay. There we go. So I have that hole. I made it 0.4, so hopefully that will be a good size.
0.4 instead of 0.2?
Yeah. I just made it bigger. So, but either way, you're going to have to measure it for yours. I'm going to pan over. I'm going to do the same thing again. Create sketch here. And I hate that it keeps doing this. I do this. Select the midpoint. Go over 1 inch. I got my hole. Right click. Hole. Same thing here. Change this to 0.4. 0.75. Everything the same. Yep. There we go. Now, within, what's that, 10 minutes maybe? Yeah, still less than 10 minutes. But I'm going to do one more thing.
Are you going to put your name on it?
Yep. So, I kind of have it cockeyed backwards here, so it's leaning forward. So, I'm going to select this plane here, the diagonal. And I am going to create text. And let's see, 0.2 is a good size. Let's see here. All right, let's rotate it. This way. Here. Right click on it, press pull. Now this time, instead of actually pulling it forward, we're going to push it back. So it's going to make an indent instead.
You're going to engrave it instead?
Yeah. So it's going to sketch it in. So it's going to be I'm going to put negative 0.1. And make sure it's operation to cut it in. There we go. And so I could actually, let's see, look at from the side. Right here, I can see that it pops out like that. There. So I can see that it's going to pop out. So when I go and look at it, it will come through. That being said, guess what? I'm done with the base. So make sure everyone likes, shares, subscribes. 10 minutes, 11 minutes total.